Hey friends, if you wish to download Google Docs document to your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the procedure is very simple. See, a Google document does not have an extension. It is just an online document. The document is not DOC. The extension is not DOC. It is not DOCX. These are extensions for Microsoft Word. So it is just an online document with this format that you can see. Now click on File, select download, and you can select any file type. So if you're checking docx, it will be downloaded as a Word file. Okay, and as you can see, I can open it in Microsoft Word. Now if you choose to download it as a PDF, then it will open as a PDF file, and if you choose to download it as a zip folder, which is also an option actually. So if you select it as a zip folder, it will download as a zip folder. Now if you go to this and right click on it and then select extract all, okay, you can see everything inside it and it will open as an HTML file. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.